Applications of rDNA technology. They are the following applications: herbicide resistance, second one insect resistance, third one virus resistance, fourth one improved storage of proteins, fifth one improved oils and fats, sixth one production of stress tolerant plants. Now first we discussed about the herbicide resistance. Herbicide resistance means many transgenic plants. Many transgenic plants with herbicide resistance have been developed by using of rDNA technology or by the genetic engineering. Such transgenic plants are tolerant to the herbicides and safe in the fields. When the herbicides are applied in the field, they are safe in the agriculture field. For example, glyphosate resistant to tobacco, tomato and corn plants. Glyphosate is one type of herbicide. And the second one is insect resistance. Many transgenic plants with insect resistance have been developed by adapting gene transfer methods. They reduce the use of chemical pesticides in the agriculture. The bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis produced an endotoxin called Bt toxin. This toxin kills a wide group of insects and pests, but not harmful to man and the domestic animals. The third one is virus resistance. The viral infection does not take place in the plants if the plants are already infected with certain virus. This principle is called cross protection. Once again, viral infection does not take place in the plants if the plants already infected with certain virus. This principle is called cross protection. By the genetic engineering, plants are made to have parts of viral protection, viral protein coat or viral nucleoproteins. The transgenic tobacco is developed by introducing gene coding for copied protein of tobacco mosaic virus. It is resistant to TMV virus. And the third one, improved storage of protein. Improved storage of protein. Nutritional quality of storage proteins can be improved by rDNA technology. By genetic engineering or rDNA technology, French bean contains the storage of protein, pascaline chemical. The pascaline consists of 50% of proteins. By rDNA technology, the protein percentage is increased in the French bean plants. And the next one, improved oils and fats. Genetic engineering is used to improve the quality of oils and fats in the plants. Low levels of cholesterols, oils are produced by the genetic engineering. Some genes for enzymes responsible for the coca oil. The coca oil transferred from the coca to soya bean plant. The transgenic soya bean yields coca oil that can be used in making of chocolates. And the last one is production of stress tolerance plant. See, genetic engineering have been developed new strains of plants with stress tolerance due to cold, heat, drought conditions. The gene for glycerol 1-phosphate acyl transferase, glycerol 1-phosphate acyl transferase, was isolated from bacteria and introduced into tobacco. That transgenic tobacco is resistant to cold temperature, as low at 10 degrees Celsius temperature can be grown easily. And the gene for mannitol dehydrogenase and sorbitol dehydrogenase are isolated from E. coli bacteria and introduced into tobacco plant. The transgenic tobacco plant resistant to drought conditions. And the next one, the gene for sulfur dioxide superoxide mutase isolated from soil bacterium, and it is introduced into tobacco plant. The transgenic tobacco can easily resistant to high light intensity. These are the following applications of rDNA technology in the agriculture fields. First one is herbicide resistance. Second one is insect resistance. Third one is virus resistance. Fourth one, improved storage of proteins in plants, improved oils and fats, production of stress tolerance in plants.